David, 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 Panda, Panda Bob, Tilda, Coach Bob and Panda were so nice and fluent in Mandarin. Easy understanding. Panda, Jenny and Bob, okay. Sam, Sam, David Yang, Day 15000/10% Wow Pass. Chill Tilda, Tilda, Jenny, Three, Jenny, David, Jenny Bob, Sam, Sam, Ski Bob, Bob, Apps, 1, 15. Apps, 1, 15. Bob, Mr. Shin Bob, exclamation mark. David and Jenny are nice. Coaches are very nice. The location is not too far away from Seoul and luckily the traffic is very smooth all the way. The good thing is there is a reserved lounge area to rest comfortably, for those companion who don't ski. A very good experience for first-time ski. The trainer can speak very well in Chinese with clear demonstration. They did provide a lot of useful information and remind us all those important safety tips prior to ski time. Sam, 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 Ten,